Just a word of advice to everyone. Bazalwane, noma yini enfuna ukuyenza in this life. Noma yini enfisa ukuyi-achieve in this life. Go for it. No matter how hard it is achievable when you put God first in everything that you do. There's a philosopher, igama lakhe uPascal, from Italy. Uthi to be is to do, and to do is to do now, because tomorrow may never be. So please, bazalwane, anything that you still need to do in this life. I was asking some of my friends, ukuthi bafowethu, what else do you want to do? Uhappy nje ngempilo yakho. Ungakahambi ngeBentley, ungakahlali kwi-mansion, ungakabi ne-million ebank, uhappy nje wena ukuthi uthola 20,000 a month. Ngeke bafowethu. There is more to life than that. So I'm so proud of Phile, the way she's so ambitious, the way she wants to achieve things, the way we always speak, Bazalwane, I know her dreams, and I every time I encourage her, go for it. Anyone that is here, and there are things that you still need to achieve in this life. It doesn't matter your age. Don't put limits to yourself. Bazalwane, most billionaires made their billions in their late 50s and late 60s. You don't have an excuse. Amen. Amen. You need to go for everything that you want to go for. uNkulunkulu awumsurprise ezulwini athi he was waphupha nangumuntu bese thumela ingelosi nje athi hambana nangumuntu ephupha into ehlanyayo. Ufuna ukuba nomuze eItaly. Ufuna ukuba nomuze eDubai. Come on, bazalwane. Amen. Let's stop limiting God. God is unlimited. Amen.